Hi. In this video, we will be learning about the decision workflow task in Astera Data Stack. A decision task invokes one of the two paths in a workflow, depending on whether the logical expression inside the decision object returns a yes or a no flag. To use a decision task, drag and drop the decision object onto the workflow designer. Configure the object by right-clicking on the object's header and selecting Properties from the context menu. The configuration window provides the interface to create a decision logic. In the expression input box, enter an expression. This expression should return a Boolean result, such as true or false. You can see an expression here. It is based on the presence of erroneous records in a runDataFlow task object. The right-hand pane, Objects, displays the object tree. You can double-click on an object to add it to your expression. Let us see another example of a decision task object being used. Here we have a workflow where we have already configured a runDataFlow task. Now, let's drag and drop the decision task from the Workflow Tasks section in the toolbox. Now, let's link these tasks. Let's look at the different properties present in the decision task. Here, we can see that a decision task requires users to define a logical expression. For our use case, let's define a logical expression specifying that the runDataFlow task must be completed successfully for the decision task to return true. Now, let's click OK to close the window. Next, we will add two more runDataFlow tasks to the window and link the decision task's yes and no nodes to these two tasks. Now, let's run this workflow by clicking on the Start Workflow icon in the toolbar. Once we start the workflow, a job progress window will pop up. In this window, we can track the steps of the job that has just been executed. As you can see here, since the first runDataFlow task has been executed successfully, and the previously defined expression has returned true, the decision task has prompted the tool to take the yes path and run the runDataFlow1 task that is linked to the yes node. This concludes the working of the decision object within the scope of a workflow. For more information on Astera Data Stack, please visit our documentation site. Thank you for watching.